Okay everyone, so now we are going to discuss the next program, and this is a program to print series. Now we are printing one more type of series where it is 1 plus 3 plus 5 up to n. So if I take the series 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus up to n, that means we know that the starting value is 1. So it will start with 1. Ending value is n, that means condition is applied till n, and that value of n will be taken by the user. So first of all, we are starting the program. We have made the comment of program to print the series. Then hash include stdio.h, hash include conio.h, void main coming inside, int n, so one variable n is declared, I, one variable I is declared, s equal to 0, so one variable s is declared and the initial value of s is 0. Clear screen, so screen is clear. Printf, enter the value of n, so this message is printed on the user screen, enter the value of n. The user has entered the value of n as 10. Now scanf %d and n. So this value is scanned and stored at the address of n. So the value of n is 10 right now. Now for running a looping statement, we know that there is a start. So start is already there, that is 1. We have some end value or the terminating condition. We are having the n. And there should be increment or decrement. So if we check that 1, 3, that means if I say 3 minus 1, so it is going with the increment of 2. So from 1 to 3 it is going with the increment of 2. Now we are running with the for loop. We must know one important thing, and the thing is that I plus plus or I is equal to I plus 1, both are the same thing. Okay, so for running the loop here we will say I is equal to I plus 2 in this case. So we are starting with the for, that is a looping statement. We are initializing the value of I as 1, we have taken from there. So the value of I is 1. Then coming afterward, checking the condition, I less than equal to n, and we have taken from the last value. So I less than equal to n, that means n is 10. So 1 is less than equal to 10, true. Program will come down. Printf means printing on the screen. %d, it will take the value from I. So the value of I is 1. So 1 is printed on the screen. Also we know that we have to print the sum at the last of the looping statement 4. So in the next line we are saying s is equal to s plus I. So s plus I means 0 plus 1, that is 1. So the new value of s is 1. It will go back, I is equal to I plus 2. So 1 plus 2 is 3. So the value of I is 3. Checking the condition, 3 less than equal to 10, true. Coming down, printing the value of I, so 3 is printed. Again coming down, s is equal to s plus I, so 1 plus 3, that is equal to 4. So the new value of s is 4. Coming back, I is equal to I plus 2, so the new value of I is 3 plus 2, that is 5. Checking the condition, I less than equal to n, so 5 less than equal to 10, true. Coming down, printing the value of I, so 5 is printed. Then s is equal to s plus I, so 4 plus 5, that is 9. Coming back, I is equal to I plus 2, so the next value is 5 plus 2 is 7. Checking the condition, I less than equal to n, so 7 less than equal to 10, yes, 7 is less than. Coming down, Printing I, 7 is printed. S is equal to S plus I. So 9 plus 7 is 16. Coming back, I is equal to I plus 2. 7 plus 2 is 9. Checking the condition. I less than equal to n. So 9 less than equal to 10. The value is true because 9 is less than 10. Coming inside, printing the value of I. 9 is printed. Adding to the sum, S is equal to S plus I. So 16 plus 9, that is 25. So the new value of S is 25. Coming back, I is equal to I plus 2. So the new value of I is 11. Checking the condition, I less than equal to n. 11 is less than equal to 10. Neither 11 is less than 10 nor it is equal to 10. So false, it will not come inside, it will come outside. Printf /n for the new line, sum of series. So message on the user screen, sum of series. Percentage D will take the value from S and the value of S right now is 25. So 25 is displayed on the user screen. Get ch for holding the screen and coming out. So that is the program to print the series 1, 3, 5 up to n.